this year.
The traditional ruler further describes the activities of bandit collaborators to as even worse than the banditry itself.
One of the major problems we have is the issue of informant. They are the major problem. In fact, without informant, there will ever not be any bandit. So it is the presence of informant that bring about banditry activities in this area. And we have also been using prayers in all these things, conniving with the Fulani people, giving them information about people, even directing them. Sometimes they even lead them to go and attack our people, which is terribly bad.
The paramount ruler of the Dansado Emirate commends the resilience of Govt the law and security agencies in ensuring the return of peace in the area and other troubled zones in the state. Faithless Darifai, TVC News, Gusau.
Elsewhere, the Commissioner for Women Affairs in Katsina State, Hadiz Ayaradoa, has embarked on a hospital tour to identify key areas for intervention on maternal and child care. Abdulatif Yusuf has details.
The new initiative is targeted to improve the living standard of women and children, especially the vulnerable and the disabled, to give them immediate assistance in hospitals. The visit to health facilities is intended to allow the Commissioner to undertake on-the-spot assessment of female patients receiving care at various hospitals.
We're here just to assess, to see how we as the ministry can facilitate whatever help the hospital needs in terms of having adequate facility that will help in the maternity ward. To be specific, we want to look at the aftercare services after delivery, especially for the women C-section. We want to look at the environment, their mental state, what do they need in terms of aftercare, what does the hospital need as well.
The Commissioner is also concerned about the mortality rate during birth for not being able to pay for CS or other emergency operations.
35,000 naira is what is separating a woman between life and death. Our honorable members, this is something that they need to look into as a project. They go around the hospitals or their wives or local chairman. We have to do it.
It was also an opportunity for the Commissioner to interact with the patients and the hospital's management. The team also took time to pay homage to the Emir of Daura in his palace, restating its determination to improve women and children welfare. In a response, the Emir of Daura, Farooq Umar Farooq, expressed his support to the new initiative and thanked the government for its policies and programs. Abdulatif Yusuf, TVC News, Katsina.
Away from that, President Bola Tinubu has condoled with families of victims and the Niger State government following a devastating petrol tanker explosion on the Bida-Agai-Lapai Road, which has claimed more than 59 lives. In a statement by the Special Advisor to the President on Information and Strategy, Bayo Nonuga, President Tinubu pledged support for those